Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good today. It is Monday, July 12th. I got my first swap in to do the hashtag swap and glue. It is from Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter, which I will have her channel linked in the description box below. And if any of yous out there would like a swap with me for the hashtag swap and glue, leave me a message in the comments or you can email me and that's in my description as well. I already got my book started that I will be using. I used some of my own magazine images here to do the cover, and then inside my book I also did an envelope so I can stick stuff in it. I also have my big envelope that this is stuff that I have accumulated of myself. Plus I also have I think 5 already pre-packaged up, so if any of you would like to swap, please get a hold of me. So let's see what Sabrina has sent. Well, Sabrina, I love the envelope. I'm going to be cutting this out. You will see this in my project. Now, I'm not sure how you go about doing this. If you go live and do it, or you do a video and you show what you use, or if you can incorporate some of your own in with what you receive. So I'm just going to wing it. Well, let's see what Sabrina sent. I do love the envelope. I love how she did that, so I will be cutting that out. So let's pull this out. I didn't expect to get this so soon. So the mail was on my side. So we have, I guess, a calendar. Ooh, the mountain scenery. Looks like Arizona. It's pretty. Alright, and we got some wallpaper. And we got a little image of a mountain scene. There's a little mouse. It looks like he's building a nest. And little mice there. I believe it's a mouse. It's cool. And we got some wolves. 3D picture pop out. It's kind of cool. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. Ooh, I like that. And then we got ladies. Ooh, look at that pretty lady with the surfboard. And then we got... Oh, we got the Muppets. Cute. And words. You can always find words. And then we got some geese. And, ooh, that's kind of cool. That's awesome, too. So you can, whatever you choose. We have some buildings. Oh, we got that circle. Russia. Norway, Denmark, Canada, U.S., Alaska. That's cool. We got a pillar from a house looking across some city. Ooh, now that is cool. Them are cool. So I'm already popping ideas in my head already. And then we got Donald Trump eating in TV, watching Fox News. Oh my God, I did a Donald Trump. I don't know what art journal it is, but I did a Donald Trump a while ago. So he could be fun to play with. And then we have, The Office, I want to say. Actors from The Office. And then, I know what side I'm going to use. Lust. That's cool. The lips. And we got some spiders on some kid's shoulder and some kid in a canoe. Oh, we got these weird funky birds. Oh, we got a sax or horn player. This is cool. Ooh, but this is cool. Man, so cool. That's a cool too. And then we got this funky guy. Oh man. These are awesome. I don't know if I want to use them. Well, I will use them, but I might scan them. So I have an extra copy because them are cool. We got this one. Oh man. These are awesome. And I'm not an eyeball person, but this, look at the bird. That's so cool. I don't know where you got. Are these out of that book, Sabrina? Because, man, I want that book. Look at these images. She bought this book at a Dollar Tree. She hasn't been able to find another one. And I think these are the images from this book. These are so cool. And oh wow, so much fun. Look at that. It's freaky, but they're cool. Yep, I think that's this book. Look at that one. So cool. Oh, those are awesome. So, I will have yours out Thursday. You know that. I already told you. But if anybody else would like to swap with me for the hashtag swap and glue. Did I forget something in here? No. Okay. The hashtag swap and glue. Email me or leave me a comment and we can work it out. I got 3 going out this Thursday, so it'd be like every 2 weeks I can financially send them out. So I'm looking for somebody who would like to swap like in 2 weeks time come Thursday. So let me know and we can swing it. We will discuss it. Sabrina, thank you for sending these to me. I really need to find this book. I believe this is that Dollar Tree book you told me about. These are some awesome images. I might have to scan these first before I put them in my glue book. Because I could just see me doing something else with these in another project. Them are so cool. So cool. A little morbid, but they're cool. So, thanks, Sabrina. I will have Sabrina's channel linked in the description box as well. So go over and check out her channel. And like I said, if you want to swap with me, just leave me a comment or send me an email. It's all in my description as well. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.